Welcome to our main warehouse here at Cable Solutions in Inverurie. Here we have our main store where we keep the majority of our stock. A few key investments that we've made recently. We've got a new 5-ton fully electric forklift which arrived about a month ago. So an upgrade on the last machine. Over here we have the busiest section of the warehouse. This is our new cable cutting reeling machine with a payoff at the other side. So this investment was made last year, increase our production capacity, offer a quicker turnaround for clients, and also for the manual handling point of view as well. The machine now has 4-ton pins which can lift drums rather than having to lift the metal bar ourselves, so it's made a huge difference. A big investment, but with the support of the ET said, we managed to get this installed August last year. As we go through the warehouse, we have the older style machine, which is now a backup. We have our aisle master, which allows us to take drums down from within our racking, also fully electric. Another key investment we made in the last couple of months, we've now gone fully LED lighting throughout the warehouse. And then here we have our racking bays where all our cable drums products are stored. Obviously, with the volume of stock that we keep, we need to make the most of the space we have. So to ensure that product can be secured safely, we use these racking bars. So each bay can take up to 17 ton, so there's quite a lot of weight. And as you can see, the drums are all different shapes and sizes, from 2-meter drums to the smaller style plies, so a big variety here.